Welcome to our detailed analysis of Play.ht, a powerful tool designed to convert text into lifelike speech using AI. It's widely used by content creators, businesses, and educators to generate high-quality voiceovers for a variety of applications. With Play.ht, you can transform your written content into engaging audio, thus expanding your reach and accessibility. Play.ht comes packed with a multitude of features. It supports over 50 languages and accents, providing a wide range of voices to choose from. The tool integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like WordPress, Medium, and Google Docs. Its intuitive interface and advanced editing capabilities make it easy to customize your audio, while the built-in audio player lets you embed and share your audios effortlessly. Play.ht offers a flexible pricing model to cater to various needs and budgets. The free plan allows you to create short audios with limited features. The premium plans, starting from $14 per month, unlock all features and provide a certain number of conversion minutes per month. For heavy users, there's an unlimited plan priced at $90 per month. Play.ht is ideal for numerous use cases. Content creators can use it to convert their written blogs into engaging podcasts. E-learning platforms can use it to create audio versions of their courses, making learning more accessible. Businesses can use it to generate voiceovers for their promotional videos. It's also a great tool for developing voice interfaces for apps and websites. Play.ht offers several advantages. It helps make your content more accessible and engaging. It saves you time and resources that you would otherwise spend on professional voiceover artists. The natural-sounding AI voices and multilingual support help you cater to a global audience. Plus, the seamless integration with popular platforms makes the workflow smoother. Despite its benefits, Play.ht has a few limitations. The voice quality, though impressive, may not match that of professional voice artists. The free plan is quite limited, and the cost can add up if you require a lot of conversion minutes. Also, there's a learning curve involved in mastering the advanced editing features. In conclusion, Play.ht is a powerful and versatile text-to-speech tool. Its wide range of features, ease of use, and flexible pricing make it a valuable asset for anyone needing to convert text into speech. However, it may not be ideal for those seeking the human touch in their voiceovers, and the costs can be high for heavy usage. Lastly, thank you for watching this analysis video on Play.ht. If you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such detailed analysis videos. Stay tuned.